What is SSH and how does it works? SSH stands for Secure Shell. It is a protocol between devices in an encrypted form. Using cryptography, any input we send in an human readable format is encrypted for traveling over a network. Once it reaches to the remote machine, then the input is decrypted. Two basic features of SSH is 1. It allows us to execute command on another device remotely. Second, any data is sent between the devices is encrypted over the network on internet. The syntax is to use SSH is very simple. We only need to provide two things. First, IP address of the remote machine. Second, correct credentials to login. The command is SSH space hostname @ IP address of your remote machine. By default, SSH is running on port 22. Thank you.